Welcome to today's video, where we will explore how you can easily change the theme in the Calm app to customize your meditation experience. Whether you prefer a calming forest, gentle waves, or a starry night, the Calm app allows you to personalize the look and feel of your sessions. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, tap the home icon at the bottom. Then, look at the top left corner and tap the small triangle icon. This will open the Scene Selection menu. Scroll through the available scenes, taking your time to preview each one. When you find a scene that matches your mood or meditation style, tap on it. Finally, click on Choose Scene, and your Calm app theme will instantly update to the new look you selected. Changing your theme in the Calm app is a quick way to create a more immersive and enjoyable meditation space. By selecting a scene you love, your sessions can feel even more relaxing and personal.